Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to open a CMC Markets account. Just follow these steps so you can create your demo or live trading account successfully. First, open your browser and search for CMC Markets. Make sure to click on the official website. Once you're on the home page, tap Open an Account. Next, choose your country, then select between MetaTrader or CMC Next Generation and tap Continue. Confirm your country again and click Get Started. Now enter your email address and create your password, then tap Continue. Choose your account type and click Continue again. After that, select your title, Mr. or Ms. Enter your first name, surname, and phone number. Check the box that allows CMC Markets Group to use your personal data, then tap Create your account. Next, you'll need to verify your email. Go to your email inbox, enter the verification code sent to you, then click Verify. Once you see email verified, tap Continue twice. Now check the box to confirm the processing of your personal data, then click Continue. You'll be taken to the CFD application section where your account starts verifying. You can complete this later. So for now, just tap the X at the top. Next, choose your layout type, then tap Next. Select your preferred asset classes, then click Done. Tap Start Trading, and your demo account will now be ready. If you want to open a live account, simply click Open a Live Account, select Live Trading, and continue the same process to complete your live account setup. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily open and use your CMC Markets account anytime.